20 feet below the ground na tayo at this point. The oxygen is getting thinner. That's why 5-10 minutes lang yung tour. So, makikita niyo po na, basa po siya. Rain or shine, summer or rainy season, ganun po yun ito. Hindi po siya galing sa CR. Ano po? Galing po siya sa rainwater. Rainwater po, no? Pinifilter na ng soil, naging natural spring. And they help yung oxygen po, no? Kahit ano siya. So, ang next step po natin is yung stock room nila where they store their armors and weapons. Yan, nakikita niyo po dito, no? Anyway, if you're not feeling well, please tell me po, we can go back anytime. Yan, po yung stock room nila, no? Yes, original cabinet from World War II. If you look closer po, original bullet shells po from World War II. Ganyan po kalalaki yung bullet shells nila. 50 caliber. Literal na isang bala ka lang. Yung metal po sa gilid, katana po yan. Japanese sword that was used back then. Ayan. If you're brave enough, you can go inside po. I'm going to take pictures sa inyo po.
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yan, gusto ba?